In today's video, we are going to learn how you can set up subscription pricing for your courses in Tutor LMS. So let's get started. As you can see, we already have a Tutor LMS site ready. If you guys want to learn how to create an e-learning site with Tutor LMS, we already have a tutorial on that topic. You can find it in the video description. So we have a few courses. If we click on courses, you can see there are some courses. Now, if we click on a course, we can see that this course is free and we are free to enroll. Now, based on the type of pricing model you set, you are going to see the relevant options over here. We can make it a one-time payment. We can add subscription. We can also add membership plans. So for this video, we are going to learn how you can set up the subscription pricing. All right. So what we need to do is first log into a WordPress admin dashboard, which we have already done. Now, for this, you do need Tutor LMS Pro because the subscription feature is available through the add-ons, and add-ons are only available in Tutor LMS Pro. At the end of the video, we are going to discuss the Tutor LMS Pro plans, but for now, let's continue with the tutorial. We are first going to go to the settings section, and then we're going to go to the monetization tab. And from here, make sure that the e-commerce engine is set to native because the subscription plan for Tutor LMS is available in the native e-commerce engine. All right, after this, we are going to go to the add-on section. And from here, we are going to enable the subscriptions add-on. Now, once this is enabled, we can set up subscription pricing for our courses. So what we're going to do is go to the courses tab, and from here we are going to edit one of these courses. So let's select this course. We're going to click on these three dots and let's click on edit. And if you guys want to learn how you can create courses in Tutor LMS, we also have a tutorial on that. You can find it in the video description as well. Now, if we scroll down over here, we can see the pricing model, which is set to paid. Since we are going to set up a subscription plan, we need to set it up for paid. Now, in this drop down, you can see there are several options. One-time purchase only, subscription and one-time purchase only, membership only, or all. Now these, you can understand what these are just by reading it. What we are going to do is first set up a regular price. Let's say this course is available for 120, which is the regular price. And now let's set up a sale price. So we've set up a regular price and a sale price. Now what we want to do is from this drop down, select subscription and one-time purchase. Now, after we select this option, you can see there's a button available over here that reads Add Subscription. So what we're going to do is click on it, and it's going to allow us to create a subscription plan. Now, we can add a name of this plan. So let's go ahead and add a name. We're just going to call it Basic Subscription Plan. You can add any name you want. And since this is a subscription plan, let's add a relevant pricing. Let's say $22. And the billing interval you can select from here. We can select once every month. You can also select once every week, but of course you can change it to however you wish. And billing cycles you can choose from here. 3 times, 6 times, 9 times, 12 times, or until canceled. So by default, until canceled is selected, and we are going to go with the default option. And you can also charge enrollment fee if you want. So for the first time when students are enrolling, you can charge something, say $3 or something. You can also choose to not provide a certificate if you want, but you can also have this deselected. This is up to you. You can also enable this mark as featured. So if you click on it, there's going to be a special mark to this plan. So we're going to have it disabled for now. You can also offer a sale price to this. For example, if you want, you can set it to $19 like this. And you can also schedule the sale price, so this will be available for a specified amount of time. But we're going to disable it for now and just click on Save. Now you can see that we have a basic subscription plan, and in this way you can add as many plans as you want. All right? So one thing I want to show you is that if we click on Edit and enable this Mark as Featured, and now click on Update, you can see there's a star marked over here. So students can see that this is a featured subscription plan. And after this, what we are going to do is go over here and click on Update. Now, note that we have selected subscription and one-time purchase. So your students will see both the regular price and the subscription plan. Now, if we preview this, now you can see there's the one-time purchase available over here and also the subscriptions. You can see the basic subscription plan is showing over here. Now, if we had created more plans, those would have been shown over here. So that is how you can set up the subscriptions for your courses in Tutor LMS. Now, if we go back to our dashboard and if we hover our mouse over Tutor LMS, or if we just simply click on Tutor LMS Pro, you can see there's an option called subscriptions. From here, you can manage all your subscriptions. Now, another thing to notice is that if you go to the settings section and go to the subscriptions option under monetization, you can also create memberships for your courses. So if you just simply click on the new membership plan, you'll be able to create the membership plan. But for this video, we are not going to create any memberships. We just wanted to show you how you can create the subscription plan for your courses in Tutor LMS. Now, this can work for course bundles as well. So if we go to the add-on section quickly, and if we enable the course bundle, now let's click on Tutor LMS Pro, and over here we can create a new bundle. So let's go ahead and quickly create a new bundle. We're going to call it Web Development Package, and let's add some text over here, and also let's add a featured image over here. Now we can add some courses. So let's go ahead and add this course and this course. All right. So we have some courses over here. Now, of course, this is free, but you can have paid courses as well. So what we are going to do is from here, we are going to choose subscription only this time, and we are going to add a subscription over here. And we are going to call this Complete Web Dev Plan, and we are going to set the price to, let's say, $40. And we can choose the same billing cycle until canceled, and we don't want to charge any enrollment fee, and also we offer a sale price, so let's say $39, and now let's click on save. So now we have created a bundle and added a subscription plan for this bundle. So click on publish. So that is how you can set up subscription plans for your course bundles as well. Now let's take a look at the pricing of Tutor LMS. And you can see there are two types of plan, annual and lifetime. The annual plan starts with the individual plan, which is $199 a year. This gives you one site license and all the features to Tutor LMS. You can also get the business plan, which is $399 a year, which gives you up to 10 site licenses, and the agency plan, which is $799 a year, and it gives you unlimited sites. The lifetime plans are a bit more expensive, but these are only one-time payments. So these were the pricing of Tutor LMS. If you want to get Tutor LMS, you can check our video description for a link. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.